What's up, guys? This is just Gaming Vlog here. Today I'm back once again. As you can see, I'm actually just getting used to this no shirt stuff, but I'm not actually gonna keep doing this. Why? Because it's stupid, and yeah. But the only one reason why I'm like this, well, for the people that live in Kansas right now, we are in a blizzard warning, and right now I hope you guys are staying safe and warm during this blizzard, because this is actually kind of dangerous for people. Because if you're driving on the road and all of a sudden you just lose control and just wreck, yeah, that's bad. So I hope you guys are staying safe and warm from this blizzard. And this actually happened yesterday, and I did forget to record, which I'm actually kind of sad about. But over here, where this light is, I'm not gonna show the light, but
Lows in
yeah, my weather radios, both of them went off. I know I have three, but I don't use the other one. I only use both. Um, they both went off, and it's actually my first experience on hearing the blizzard warning, which I'm actually kind of like excited about, because mostly first experience of blizzard and hearing the blizzard warning, because the only time I've actually heard a blizzard warning was on a video, on a YouTuber's video, and yeah. So, and then I think that was like a long time ago, and then now I get to finally hear it. You can see if I can pop it. Let me see if I can find it.
WX 0 the midnight conditions for the local area. At Topeka. The temperature was 22
Dang it.
degrees.
Oh wait, can I see memory? Dang, I can't see the memory. I wish I could. But yeah, this did say blizzard warning, which I can't check it because it's passed, and I guess they let it expire. So, yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe and warm from this situation. And if you guys are, good, because I don't want anybody to be harmed in this blizzard or be hurt in an accident or anything. Next time, if there's ever a blizzard warning, I will try to get it on camera, so then I can start doing the weather radios again, because I really need to start those back up again. So yeah, why I haven't uploaded much is because of Thanksgiving, and also I've been sick. Well, somehow I got sick yesterday, and I still feel like crap. Like, I just had a massive headache, but I took medicine, so I should be feeling good in the morning. And thanks, well, I'm not saying it's a good thing, but tomorrow, well, today, because it's Monday, I do not have school, so I'm staying home again. But if the weather still is bad tomorrow, after Monday, or after today, they might actually cancel it again. But it depends. So, yeah. Yeah. Let's hope that. I really wish for like half of this week to be canceled, but if they don't cancel it, then fine. I'm fine with it. I just need another day off because I am not ready to go back to school. But anyways, I guess I'll see you guys next time, since I have only 1% on my phone. See you guys later. Peace out. And I was I was enjoying this gaming vlogs. I'll see you guys later, and I will update you guys when I get more information about this cast, and you guys will possibly see this cast come off on December 6th. If you don't, then I'll keep you guys updated. So see you guys later. Peace.